Okay, what we got? Unboxing our new Areo garden.
It's the seed pods,
Okay.
power supply. Well,
You have to unplug that little thing back there. There you go.
6 little pods. It's the filler hole. Fill that with water to that line. On there.
What did we
6 little
get?
Pods.
What kind did we get?
Got Genovese basil, dill, mint, thyme, curly parsley, and Thai basil.
2 basil, eh?
Different kind of basil.
Yeah. Cool. Okay. Ready to set her up.